My name is Mark Sewell, Assistant Chief Financial Officer for the City of Oxnard. This is for the City Council meeting on July the 18th, 2023, regarding a professional services agreement with Muniservices, LLC for quarterly sales tax and transaction tax audit services. Staff recommends that City Council A, award agreement number 324-00016 to Muniservices, LLC for a 5-year term in the amount not to exceed $600,000 for quarterly sales tax audit services and measures O and E transaction tax audit services, and B, adopt a resolution authorizing examination of sales, transaction and use tax records to Muniservices, LLC. Sales tax auditing is a common practice across many municipalities in California. It helps cities to receive all the taxes that are owed to them. Since January 2017, the city has received these services from Hinterlita Delamas & Associates, HDL. 6 years has passed and it's good practice to competitively bid goods and services, and so in February 2023, the city issued a request for proposals. The city received 2 proposals, one from Muniservices and one from HDL. Proposals were evaluated by finance staff using the following criteria: the overall responsiveness of the proposals, the company profile, their ability to demonstrate competence in this area, and finally, the cost proposal. Staff recommends Council award to Muniservices a 5-year agreement commencing July the 1st, 2023. The city will pay Muniservices 15% of any taxes recovered as a result of their audit work. It's important to note the city will retain 100% of the sales tax and will remit payment to Muniservices for their 15% compensation. In addition, Muniservices offer consulting services and financial forecasting for budgetary and other strategic planning as part of their fees. This is very important for the city in budget preparation. Should the city require additional in-depth consulting, the city will agree in advance with Muniservices an hourly rate of between $90 and $350 per hour, depending on the scope of those needs. A resolution authorizing examination of sales, transaction, and use tax records is required. California Revenue and Taxation Code Section 7056B states that the State Board of Equalization, now known as the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration, CDTFA, has the authority to allow authorized officers, employees, or designated individuals to examine the sales and use tax records maintained by the CDTFA. This permission is granted by the City Council through resolution. And in short, Section 7056B provides a mechanism for authorized representatives of the city, in this case Muniservices, LLC, to examine the sales and use tax records maintained by the CDTFA in cases where the CDTFA has been collecting taxes on behalf of the city. Staff recommends that City Council A award agreement number 324-00016 to Muniservices, LLC for a 5-year term in the amount not to exceed $600,000 for quarterly sales tax audit services and measures O and E transaction tax audit services, and B, adopt a resolution authorizing examination of sales, transaction and use tax records to Muniservices, LLC. Staff will be available at the meeting to answer any questions. Thank you.